Hello students, welcome to Tiger Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to start Unit 4 of Marigold Class 1, Once I Saw a Little Bird. But before that, do subscribe to our channel Tiger Tutorial, and you can also see playlist of Marigold Class 1 and Raindrop Class 1. So let's start the chapter. Once I saw a little bird coming hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Student, do you remember we have already covered this story in Raindrop Class 1, The Little Bird? So once again, this is our revision class. Once again we'll do the same poem, and I'm also going to tell you the Hindi meaning also. So once I saw a little bird, मैंने एक बार एक little bird, एक छोटे से पक्षी को देखा, coming hop hop hop, वो फुदकते हुए आ रही थी. I cried, मैंने चिल्लाया. Cried का मतलब क्या यहाँ पे मैं होगा? चिल्लाना. Little bird, will you stop stop stop? क्या तुम रुकोगे? I was going to the window, मैं विंडो के तरफ, मैं खिड़की के तरफ जा ही रहा था, to say how do you do, तुम कैसे हो? But he shook his tail and he flew, वो उड़ गया. Now students, let's read the new words. Bird means pakshi, hop means fadakna, stop means rukna, tail means pooch, window means khirki. The bird flies out of the window, we must stop cutting tree. Bird क्या flies out of the window. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We should stop cutting trees. Now, what did the child see? The child see a little bird. What was the little bird doing? It was coming hop hop hop. वो फुदकते हुए क्या कर रही थी? वो आ रही थी कहाँ? विंडो की तरफ आ रही थी. Do you see any bird around your school or house? If yes, then you should write yes, because everyone can see a bird because it's our in surrounding. And have you tried to talk to them? Have you tried talking to them? If you not, then you should try, because it's a little very little very small fun for you to do, act it out, and it's a fun moment for you. Now join the letter from A to Z. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait a student. Wait. Yeah. G, don't know student why the pen is not working. Let me check this. I have selected. Okay. Yeah. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. See student, we have drawn a semicircle around the peacock. Now trace over the dotted line and letter, new color, the star. We have to trace these letters M, N, P, Q, T. Now say these words aloud and talk about the picture, then tick the right color. Roof, door, window, walls, floor, plants, dustbin. The roof is pink, isn't it? It is pink or blue? It's pink. The wall are yellow. The windows are brown. The door is blue. The dustbin is pink. The plants are green. The floor is grey. So that's it for today, student. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to our channel, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more videos. In this video I upload videos for of class 1 of the subject of science, social science and English. Hope you like this video. Thank you, and also press on the I button for more videos. Where is the mouse? This is the mouse. Bye bye.